welcome to my channel. So today's video is a different, oh my god, there's a fly. Okay, so today's video is actually going to be really different. I'm auditioning for a collab channel. It's called the Glam Club Collab. It's a collab for like beauty gurus, so I'm like super excited. So let's get on with the video. My name is Virginia, but I go by Jen, hence life as Jen. I am 19 years old. I live in East Tennessee, so yeah. I guess my skills are makeup, filmmaking, I guess that's a skill, editing, that's fun. I'm a mom, I have a daughter, I do makeup, I do YouTube, I play music, I sing. My biggest inspiration is Jeffree Star. This is really hard to think about. I like to spend all my money at Ulta Beauty and Sephora. I play piano, drums, ukulele, guitar. I'm originally from California. So yeah, that's my audition video. I really hope you consider me. I'm excited about this collab channel and it's a really cool idea. Thank you for letting me audition. Bye!